What? You gonna leave me? 30 seconds? Go ahead. I am not as sick as you suggest. You know, just because I didn't say how far when you told me to jump, Jenna and I, Jenna and I
Mhm.
are in love. And it's not right for you or anyone else to keep us apart. I have dedicated my life to you for 7 years. 7 years. And I have said yes to every one of your goddamn demands. But I'm sorry, not this time. I mean, have you ever really been in love? Did your skin begin to flush over you when you were standing near that person? Did your stomach didn't start to turn and hurt at feeling like someone had hollowed it out when you couldn't be near them? You know, you yourself told me that love was like a disease, that it changes your mood, the chemicals in your blood, the physical discomfort, the changes in your reaction and your tones and your inflections when you're next to them. But any way you put it, I'm sorry, it's still love.